So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Micromax in Note 1, and I'm shifting from my main phone, the Narzo 30 Pro, to this Micromax in Note 1 for just reviewing it, and I'll be uploading a full review within 1 month after testing it vigorously. Today I'm going to do the unboxing and I brought it brand new. Well, this is the box with some contents at its back, the specifications and in branding given. Here is the phone itself, and we'll keep the phone aside, and here we get some other contents in the box. Well, it's surprising to see no back cover in the box. Well, I knew about this, and here is the warranty guide, but there is no back cover. And you get to see here the SIM ejector tool outside the pamphlet. Here is the charger. It is an 18 watt first charger, and you get 5000 milliampere battery with 18 watts fast charging. And here you get to see a type C cable of a good quality. It is type B to type C cable, USB to type C cable. So keeping all the box contents aside and the box aside, here is the phone itself. After removing the film, we get to see here the phone itself. Yeah, let's remove all the tempered glasses and all, and let's get straight to the physical review of the phone. Well, the phone comes with a 6.67 inch display. Here at the camera, 48 megapixel quad camera setup. You get to see a fingerprint sensor at the back. In the branding at the bottom side, you get to see headphone jack and microphone, charging port, and the speaker grills. At the right side you get to see the power lock button and the volume rockers. Top side you get to see the noise cancellation microphone. At the side you get to see the Google dedicated voice button, and the SIM slot. You get to see triple SIM slots and dedicated for memory card slot. And the phone comes with a plastic body build, though it seems to be a bit clicky, but okay for a newly launched smartphone from a returning brand. You get to see Android 10, and that's a vanilla powered Android 10. The display is quite good. It's a 6.67 inch 1080p IPS LCD display with a 395 dpi, and I will tell that display is average, and the viewing angles are good, not that bad. And I would say that yeah, the display is average, right? But looking to the camera app is not customized well. Yeah, it looks a bit like scattery. Everything's scattered here and there, so they need to work on the camera app itself. But I'll be showing some camera pictures or samples that I've clicked through this phone. So let's just click some of the photos, and here is the photo of the Realme. Okay, so you can see that this is the Realme Buds photo, and here is my Poco F1. Well, I use this phone as my secondary phone, and here you can see that the details in the back camera are enough. And yeah, I will tell that the back camera is good, but the front camera is average, and they need to work on their front camera. You get a G85 processor on the smartphone. That's a 12 nm based processor, and you will not have any problems in playing COD, the PUBG, which is banned now, but yeah, you can play that still. Well, here is gaming performance, and I have not seen any lag till now or the frame drops. But yeah, according to the price point, this is a good smartphone for gaming. You also get the gyroscope sensor, and the outside temperature is 28, and after playing for half an hour is 36. Well, that's all for this video. I'll meet you in the next video. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. I'll be giving a full review of this within 60 days. And thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.